Fats are often misunderstood. Are they friends or foes? The answer is, well, it depends. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at good fats versus bad fats, what they are, how they affect your body, and why you need to know the difference. By the end, you'll have all the knowledge you need to make smarter dietary choices. Let's dive in. Let's face it, fat has gotten a bad reputation over the years. Remember the days when low-fat diets were all the rage? People stocked their pantries with fat-free snacks, thinking it was the key to better health. But here's the truth. Not all fats are created equal, and understanding this could be a game-changer for your health. With rising rates of heart disease, obesity, and diabetes, knowing what's on your plate has never been more important. The type of fat you consume can either protect you or put you at greater risk for these conditions. Good fats can boost your heart health, improve your brain function, and even support your mood. On the flip side, bad fats can clog your arteries, raise inflammation, and contribute to chronic illnesses. Between 2017 and 2020, it is estimated 10% of adults in the US have high cholesterol, classified as having 240 milligrams per deciliter or higher. High cholesterol is partly influenced by modifiable risk factors like poor diet. So, what should you eat and what should you avoid? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about fats in general. Fats are one of the three macronutrients, alongside carbohydrates and proteins, that our bodies need to survive. Here's why fats are important. Fats are the most energy-dense nutrient, providing 9 calories per gram, more than twice the energy of carbs or proteins. They help the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Without them, these vitamins wouldn't be as effective. Fats are crucial for building cell membranes and supporting cell functions. They aid in creating essential hormones that regulate metabolism, immune function, and reproduction. Fats cushion vital organs and help insulate the body to maintain a stable temperature. But while fats are essential, the type of fats you consume determines whether they support your health or harm it. Let's break it down. Fats are generally classified into 4 categories: monounsaturated fats, polyunsaturated fats, saturated fats, and trans fats. The first two, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, are considered good fats. The latter two, saturated and trans fats, are often labeled as bad fats. Let's explore why. Monounsaturated fats are often called heart-healthy fats. They're found in foods like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds. These fats remain liquid at room temperature and solidify when chilled. Monounsaturated fats lower bad cholesterol, LDL levels, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL. They help reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in many chronic diseases. They're also beneficial for blood sugar control, making them ideal for people with diabetes. Polyunsaturated fats are essential fats, meaning your body can't produce them, so you have to get them from your diet. These include omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as plant sources like flax seeds and chia seeds, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and benefits for brain and heart health. Omega-6 fatty acids found in vegetable oils like sunflower and soybean oil also support heart health when consumed in moderation. However, too much omega-6 without enough omega-3 can contribute to inflammation. So it is important to strike a balance between the two. Polyunsaturated fats improve heart health by lowering LDL cholesterol. They're crucial for brain function, vision, and overall development. Now onto the bad fats, saturated fats. Saturated fats are naturally occurring and are primarily found in animal products like fatty meats, butter, and cheese, as well as tropical oils like coconut and palm oil. Saturated fats can raise LDL cholesterol levels, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. While some studies suggest that saturated fats may not be as harmful as once thought, it's still wise to consume them in moderation. Trans fats are the worst type of fat for your health. They're created through a process called hydrogenation, which turns liquid oils into solid fats. Common sources include fried foods like French fries and fried chicken, baked goods like cookies, cakes, and pastries, and processed snacks such as crackers and chips. Trans fats raise LDL cholesterol and lower HDL cholesterol, creating a double whammy for heart health. They're linked to an increased risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Trans fats also promote inflammation, which is associated with many chronic illnesses. Many people overlook the fact that good fats can become harmful under certain conditions. For example, when healthy oils like olive oil are heated to very high temperatures, they oxidize and form harmful compounds. The process of oxidation produces free radicals which can damage cells and contribute to inflammation and aging. To avoid this, use oils with high smoke points like avocado oil for high heat cooking. Save delicate oils like extra virgin olive oil for salad dressings or low heat cooking. Now that you understand the impact of good and bad fats on your health, let's talk about how you can incorporate healthy fats into your diet and reduce your intake of bad fats. First, choose oils that are rich in monounsaturated fats. Olive oil, for example, is an excellent choice for cooking or making salad dressings. You can also use avocado oil, which is another great source of good fats. These oils can help support heart health and provide other health benefits. Second, make fatty fish a regular part of your diet. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for both your heart and brain. Try to include these fish in your meals at least 2 to 3 times a week. Instead of processed snacks, snack on nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all packed with healthy fats and provide a satisfying crunch without the unhealthy additives found in processed foods. When possible, avoid processed foods that are high in trans fats. These are often found in packaged snacks like chips, cookies, and pastries, as well as in fast food and many frozen meals. Be sure to read ingredient labels, as anything containing hydrogenated oils or partially hydrogenated oils contains trans fats. Lastly, focus on whole foods that are naturally rich in good fats. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins all contain healthy fats in their natural form, along with many other essential nutrients that support overall health. In conclusion, fats are an essential part of a healthy diet, but it's crucial to focus on consuming the right kinds of fats. Good fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, play a key role in maintaining heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. On the other hand, bad fats, like saturated and trans fats, can have detrimental effects on your health when consumed in excess. By making smarter choices, such as opting for healthy oils, incorporating more fatty fish into your meals, and avoiding processed snacks, you can enjoy the benefits of good fats while minimizing the risks associated with bad fats. Remember, balance is key. Including the right fats in your diet can help you maintain optimal health and prevent chronic diseases. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions you may have. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health, one healthy fat at a time.